Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by estimating the tail. Aim for about 3 times the width of the needle, or roughly 1 inch per stitch. Make a slip knot and place it on the right-hand needle. Make sure it's snug but movable. Next, hold the yarn with the tail over your thumb and the working yarn over your index finger to set the long tail tension. Once done, spread your fingers to form an open thumb-index triangle. You're ready to make the first cast-on loop. You insert the needle upward through the thumb-index V, tip pointing away from you, and then catch the yarn in a 2-part motion. First, draw the yarn over from your index finger, then hook the strand around the thumb to pull a loop through that V. Pull that loop onto the needle and release the thumb, tightening the loop to match the tension of previous stitches. Make sure to keep stitches even by slightly pinching the working yarn between finger and needle as you proceed. You finish by counting stitches and adjusting if your initial tail estimate was off. Add a few extra cast-ons, then slide them off and start again if necessary. Make sure to gently tighten the first and last stitches so the edge sits flat without being tight, and position the working yarn for your next row. If stitches feel uneven, ease them along the needle to uniform tension. If things go wrong, pause and loosen tight loops with your free needle or tug the tail to snug loose ones. Then continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.